for His Highness Prince Yang Amat Mulia Tengku Sulaiman Shah Al-Hajj Ibni Al-Matrud Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah Al-Hajj. Together with Yang Muhammad Chang Li Kang, the esteemed Minister of the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, Mosty, to the Bujau spectacular Nasdaq, the bell ringing ceremony. Come on, show us your appreciation and excitement. Thank you. A very good afternoon to Tan Sri, Puan Sri, Dato Sri, Datin Sri, Datin, distinguished guests, members from the media, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bujau's spectacular Nasdaq, the bell ringing ceremony and capital market summit. A big round of applause to yourself. Thank you. And of course, right here, on behalf of Bukit Jalil Global Acquisition 1 Limited, Bujau, we extend a heartfelt appreciation for your presence at the official bell ringing ceremony and capital market summit. Today, in this auspicious month of July, we gather here to celebrate the official bell ringing ceremony, marking an important milestone for Bujau. And now, without further ado, I would like to invite this gentleman to join us on stage. Mr. Neil Vu, Chief Executive Officer of Bukit Jalil Global Acquisition 1 Limited, for his opening remarks.